This is a work from '81 that I started working with David Weiss. One of the first things we did was a movie. In this movie, Rat and Bear are like two characters being like good for nothing, and they make drawings and where they try to explain them life and all their problems they have. When they have something like all these drawings on the table, one of the two says suddenly this overview. So the title is coming a little bit from out of that movie and describes this moment when you have the illusion of making order. It was really like this idea of making a group of sculptures which are coming from very different topics. Let's say invention of electricity, and then maybe me going the first day to school. For me it was very important, but for humanity it's like, yeah, not so important. But then it's also questioning what is important and what is unimportant. Also, it carries the idea of being provisory or a study. I could take this sculpture and put it inside of water and it would become clay again. So like this kind of highly provisoriness or like transition. In this moment, it's that sculpture, but it could be also erased.